really like the idea of BMW making a supersport model, to complement the already potent BMW S1000RR. The category is a tough one though, and it is dominated by the Japanese brands. Maybe this is why BMW Motorrad is the perfect brand to disrupt the supersport segment. The S1000RR made a killing in the liter bike space, because it brought European features and performance, at a Japanese price point. Because of the success that resulted from that formula, maybe the Germans can do the same in the 600cc segment. Putting some pen and paper to this thought, Nicolas Petit has inked together a render of a proposed BMW supersport machine, which he dubbed the BMW S675RR. As the name suggests, the bike is powered by a 675cc 3-cylinder engine, and visually it makes a strong connection to the next BMW S1000RR, which we have already seen leaked in spy photos. Whether or not the Germans are interested in the supersport segment remains to be seen, however. So far, there haven't been any external clues or rumors about a supersport model, 3-cylinder or otherwise, from BMW Motorrad.